So welcome back, we are back at it. So in the last video we were getting this bit done. This all needs welding in, smoothed off. I'm going to replace this bit down here. You can see this bit, I think it's rotten behind here, so I'll replace this bit. I'm going to come over to this bit after. I've made a template up for this. I've got some little bends to put in here and there, and this bit's got to fold over. I'll use my metal bender. And then I've got, this is the metal I bought to do it, because I haven't got the thick enough metal to do it. So I'll do that off camera. And then I also got to build this bit here and here, this lip in here, before I can do this bit. But I want to get this bit done, this probably the bit done, and then I can get this all this bit back on as well. So we'll start back on with this bit and we'll go from there. Right, let's go. So there you go, got all this back in, looking nice, smoothed it all off. Got to come down here next, right on here on this edge, but I'm going to cut this bit completely out there to there, and then put a new bit in here, and then I will come over to this bit, which I'm thinking about just cutting this completely out. I've made the panel up which goes in there, as you can see, which I'll probably do that next. I think I'm just going to cut this right out after. and then get the shape of that how it was originally, weld that in, come back to this side. But I'm going to get on with this now. This bit here, I'll crack on this. Let's go. So there you go, looking nice and smooth. Look at that, it's cut really well that. So I've got a little bit of time on this, so I'm going to crack on getting this cut out. Get this cut out now. I think that's probably the best thing to do, is get this cut out and then get that panel exactly the same shape as this, and then cut around here, cut around there, and get this bit in, and I'll say build it a bit after. But I think that's the best way forward, so let's crack on. So there you go, made that panel there, it's exactly the same. So what we're going to do now is put that in there, get that all welded in. So what I do, I spin it round and then I get it all welded in, and then we'll tack this bit here, tack this bit on the side. So let's crack on with this. So I got all that in there, smoothed off now. Really nice. I'm really pleased with that. As you can see, the old one to the new one. I think it's a bit of an improvement, isn't it? So yeah, I'm really happy with that. That's gone. Going to come over here now, and I'm going to drill these bits out here. I'm going to use my new drill spot weld drill bits to get these bits out, and I'll make this new panel in here and come along and make all this bit, and then we'll come back and we'll weld it all in. So made this bit, as you can see there, the one's pretty rotten, so I made this bit in there. So what I'm going to do now is weld this bit into there. Yeah, sits in there lovely, look. So get this bit welded in. So I just used these a little while ago, and they are brilliant. I wish I'd have got these a long time ago, these spot welding drill bits. So we're going to crack on with this and get this all welded in, and yeah, we're almost getting there. So I started recording this this panel in, got halfway across, and then realised that I'd made a massive mistake. I'm laughing about it because it's all I can do really. The thickness of the metal, it's the wrong stuff. I've used the wrong metal. So I've now got to cut this back out, scrap this and make a new one with the proper metal. So yeah, what a mistake. Anyway, I'm going to crack on and get this bit new, another bit made up, and I'll be back. So there you go, another one made, round 2, let's go. Let's get it welded in, and we'll go from there. So there you go, all in there. This is the second time I made this panel, but like I say, bit of a disaster, but never mind. I've got it all done now. It looks really good. I'm really pleased with it. So I think this is going to be the end of the video. I've got this panel to make up. I know what I'll do is get this all done, ready for the next video. Get it all back in there. I'll also get all this bit of strengthened back up, and then we'll tack this bit up here. But thanks for the comments, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Get yourself involved, and I'll see you next time.